Hello everybody, welcome back. Previous video, i.e. yesterday, I was working on the pre-slope here in the shower. It's drying up pretty good, and you remember that was the wet area right there. It kind of got too much water when I was mixing the dry pack. Today I am going to put the liner down. Few key things about the liner. One, that's your membrane that's going to be holding all the water. You don't want to put any kind of holes in it where it shouldn't be. So anytime you're tacking it up, you want to tack it up very high. You don't want to tack anything down low. First of all, I'm going to clean all this up. Nothing's been on it, but of course it's going to have some dust and such on it from just doing the process. So I'm going to go ahead and get it vacuumed up and kind of get things set up, and then we'll get right back. All right, we got it all vacuumed up, and now I'm just going to lay out the liner and kind of see how I want it. So this is the liner. And I didn't get it big enough. I didn't get it big enough. What did I do wrong? Well, I guess I'm not laying the liner out because I didn't get the right size. But there should come 5 foot. What'd I do, dummy? Oh, Lord. Jeez. I didn't count for the walls, so I need it like, what is this? No, this is 5. Did I swear I ordered it 5 by 7. They cut it 5 by 5. I don't know. I could have ordered it wrong. Anyway, we're not doing that today. God said no. Yeah, this is 5 by 5. I need a 5 by 7. Well, I'll use this for a tarp, an expensive tarp. Well, that sucks. Okay, we're back again. Had a little mishap with the measurement of the other shower pan liner. It was cut 5 by 5. I don't think I ordered it like that. Who knows? Whatever. It is what it is. I went and got another liner yesterday, 5 by 8. Okay, so that'll be more than enough. I do have a little dust on me. I've been doing some sanding on some sheetrock work, patching that hole above the electric panel. So anyway, I'm going to get going on this. I'll let y'all just sit and watch me how I do it. Here we go. Of course, while you're figuring this stuff out, you don't want to puncture this thing anywhere where it's going to be holding water, for obvious reasons. It's kind of a cool morning today. This was outside where it got close to freezing, so it's a little tough to work. Okay, I have my rough layout. I'm happy with the way it looks. These are the holes for the drain, right? These are the 3 bolts. Excuse me, 4 bolts right here. So I'm just gonna put a little cross in them. Just a little one, just to get the bolt head through, like that. The next step is to pull this back, put some silicone right around here, and then put this back over. So I left my silicone on the chicken coop because I'm doing some work out there. Let me go grab that and I'll be right back. Okay, got the silicone. Gonna just put some right here around this thing. This is just an extra layer of defense against the dreaded water. Water is such a good thing, yet has to be controlled if you can control it. Okay, so now you lay it back over. Just get it right around these bolt holes, or these bolts. All right, that part's done. Now, take the trusty DeWalt wannabe and cut the circle out. I'll go a little there and cut to the edge. And I don't worry about it going in my drain because I still have my drain plug in. That's in there. Nice. And it has that extra layer of silicone around there. Now, just start pinning it on the walls. What works really good is staples. A little staple gun or something, but I don't have mine. I left it at the house, so we're not gonna do that. Instead, I'm using screws. So if you go backwards, like that, you could push it into the wall, like that. All right. Again, just keep it high. You don't want to be screwing low. See, I'm not even dropping screws down here or nothing. You really just want to be careful. If you had a stapler, which really is good with this, you just staple away. It's much easier. These will work. So that I don't like there because I have those water lines. So I don't want anything sticking out that can poke the line back there. Now, I suppose there's a few different ways to do this, and if I looked at the directions, it would tell me some, but the main thing is you want it flat, right? Because you have your backer board coming down and then your tile is over that. So if it's bumped out a lot, your tile is going to be popped out. I'm going to shoot a screw right up here. All right. So I got the corners done. Not my best work, all right? This corner here, there's a little gap. So I kind of split it a little bit, folded it back, just like the other corners, and I got it into there, left this up here, and that's that. The other corner, don't laugh too hard, but I'm just showing my mistakes on here. Anyway, I kind of did the same thing as the other corners. I split it a little bit, not all the way down, but a little bit, overlapped it. I just felt it'd be a little bit better with some glue on it, so I threw some glue on it, put it back together, and then I wanted an extra layer of defense, so I put this on. All right, so we have these corners here that I'll be applying to improve my corners here. You gotta glue everything up, but let it sit for just a sec. It wants to get tacky first, this glue that you put on here. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and you're not signing any legal documents while you're using this glue. Not for 24 hours. Anyway, it's the Oakley shower pan liner glue. Get you high as a kite. So then you just take the corner and slap it in here. All right, and that gives you your beautiful seal. That fixes all my issues. Beautiful. To redeem myself on this corner here, I forgot I had these. I kind of knew, but then forgot. But there you go. And the key with that glue, put it on, let it tack up a little bit, then you'll be all right. I feel so much better now with this. That's just a crease down there, but that's okay. That gives you all the protection there, so you'll have your backer board come on like that. And so it's beautiful. Gives you great protection. That's how you do the corners, the easy way. Haha, thanks. Bye.